Hello everybody, welcome back, and thank you for all your support. We do appreciate all the comments and likes, and even a few of the dislikes. It doesn't matter, everybody has their own opinion. This is Choo Choo, aka Chattanooga, Tennessee. This is about a day and a half after the last one, or maybe 2 days, who knows. Time rushes by and so much fun there. So anyway, we're traveling through, and we're on our way to a special location. Be in the next video, you'll like it. Stay tuned. But for the most part, it's just traffic easing along, doing its thing for right now. And as anybody knows, if you live in a big city or even close to a big city, you know how much fun traffic can be. This was one of the reasons I really wanted to stay on 2 lanes. And 2 lanes, 4-lane U.S. highways or whatever, but still, if you ran into a traffic jam, there's, heaven forbid, an accident of some kind, motor vehicle accident. But this just aggravates the piss out of me. I hate it. Hated it when I was driving truck. But it is what it is. So we'll just enjoy the ride for a little bit. And here you see the surrounding area. There's Chattanooga down there in the foreground, all over the place. Beautiful. I mean, the city is really well, they're very nature-oriented type thing. It was a recent thing. It never used to be, but you go down this hill and you go around a curve, and then you end up in traffic again. Well, when you get down here to the curve, I kind of blocked out most of the traffic there, but we sat probably 20-30 minutes waiting to get through traffic to get to the other side of Choo Choo. This curve looks, it's a great curve and everything. Yeah, it can be very sleepy in a semi-truck if you're going too fast. You could definitely underestimate it. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see it very well because all these nice smooth roads here, but eventually we end up in some traffic, and about 15 or 20 minutes, and then boom, we're out of it again. Crystal Burgers, good burgers. There's the Tennessee River. This is after all the traffic. I know everybody. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. If you wanted to watch all the traffic just sitting for 20 minutes, I really do apologize. Leave me a note, and I can send you some video of it. Not. So anyway, this is the Tennessee River. It's coming around. We're already out of Choo Choo, headed towards, there's a split, 24 and 59 split up here, and we'll be taking 24 west for a special reason. But Tennessee River is a beautiful river. Oh my goodness, absolutely stunning. I like about Tennessee is I love the mountains, the hills, the trees, the rivers. Drivers, not so much, but it's beautiful scenery. And now this is the time of year; these leaves are going to start changing, and then we cross over into just here in a minute. We'll go in and you'll see another chunk of the river, and pretty cool lake. There's a lot of good fishing on this lake. It's called the Nickajack Lake. And it's outside Choo Choo. A lot of people out there fishing and whatnot. But it's just a gorgeous state. It really is. Tennessee and Kentucky, they are the beautiful ones. So I do appreciate you all watching and listening to my rambling on. And if you do, stay tuned, because the next video is going to be of our little stop in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee. So like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave us a comment. We look forward to hearing from you, good or bad, because every little bit helps. Thank you all very much. Later.